Hi guys, my name is Ian. I'm an English teacher. Now, here today, I want to tell you about how to greet, how Western people greet. So, in my academy, whenever our students comes into my academy, I always have to tell them how to greet people. Like, usually Korean people say, when Korean people say, "How are you?" they answer like, "Fine, thank you, and you?" But most majority of American people, they say, instead of fine, thank you, and you, they say good. So I have to teach them, I have to teach my students again and again, repeatedly every time. And we always practice how to greet every time we see each other. So how are you and how are you doing? How are you doing today? This is the most common greeting expression they say. And all you have to remember is there is no intention to ask how you feel today. You know what I mean? So basically, how are you means how do you feel today, or how do you feel usually, right? But it actually doesn't. They don't really mean it. They just say it because they have been taught to say it when they meet a person for the first time. So when they were very young, their parents taught them, say, "How are you?" Whenever you see a person, you have to say, "How are you?" So they, American people or Western people don't really think about the meaning, but they just say it when they see a person for the first time. So there is no meaning. But the thing you have to be careful is when American people, when Western people say, "How are you?" to you, don't think about it too much. Don't think about how you feel, but you have to just react quickly and without thinking. So the answer is good. Not like the other answers, but practice good first, because good is the most common answer for how are you. So whenever Western people say, "How are you?" you have to say good. And then when you say good, don't think about other things. Don't think about how you feel. Don't think about the details, because they don't really mean it. That's what you have to remember. And there is another expression of greeting, which is "What's up?" Right? That's the second most common expression when you greet. And when Western people say "What's up?", there is no certain answer to that. Not like "How are you doing?" and "How are you?" Because "What's up?" basically means you only say "What's up?" between very close friends. So let's say when you meet your friends, very close friend, you don't really have to greet them. Actually, you don't have to say hi. You just say, "Hey, how was your day?" Right? You just go directly what you want to say instead of just greeting each other. So you don't have to say anything about "What's up?" So when Western people say "What's up?" to you, it means that you are very close already, and you don't have to answer to that question, but you can just go over to what you have to say right away. For example, Western people said, "Hey, what's up?" Then you can go like, "Oh, I went shopping today and it was very great," something like that. Or, "Hey, what's up? Well, right now I'm studying English and it's good." Or when they say, "What's up?" and you can say, "Hey, how was your day?" Something like that. So you don't have to answer to the question, but you can just move on to the main topic right away. You understand? But there are two most common answers to "What's up?" The first one is you can just say "What's up?" So when they say "What's up?", you can say "What's up?" For example, "What's up?" and "What's up?" like this. Or the other thing is not much, because actually the "What's up?" means what is going on in your life. So basically you can if you say something going on, something is going on, that's not what they meant. They just say without any thinking. So you have to most common expression is not much, because even if you have something up in your life, you don't really say it at the beginning when you greet. So you just pass it and say not much. Understand? So, well, let's practice these two greetings. First one, how are you? You said good, how are you, right? Okay, next one is, what's up? You probably said what's up, or not much, or I'm doing great, or like I'm studying English, I'm watching YouTube, right? Okay. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And thank you for watching.